Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial of Android tips and tricks, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos on background without any app. You may want to listen to YouTube music or any other video and do other tasks on your Android phone such as playing games, chatting on Messenger and so on at the same time. But when you play a video and minimize the app, the video stops playing. We have the solutions for this. Let's see how. First of all, find settings icon on your Android phone and click on it. Then click on notifications. Scroll down a bit and click on more. Here, notification status for the most recent apps are displayed. You need to turn on the notification on Chrome app, but the Chrome app isn't displayed here. Let's search for Chrome. Still, the app is not found, even from the search result. It's because I'm searching on the list of most recent apps. So I click on this drop down arrow and click on all. Now, as we can see, the Chrome apps notification is turned off. You need to turn it on. Then minimize the settings window, or you can simply close it. Next, open the Chrome app, open youtube.com and play a video of your choice. To play it on background, you need to switch to desktop view. So for that, click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner and here click on desktop site. That's all. Again, play the video, then minimize it. It may stop playing because it might have been paused. To play it, touch on the top of your phone's home screen and press and pull a little bit. You will see the Chrome playing the music. Here, just press on the play button to play it. There you go, it's being played. Now you can minimize it and do anything else on your phone. The music or the video will keep on playing on the background. Cool, isn't it? Okay guys, this is how we can play YouTube videos on background on an Android phone without using any third-party applications or apps. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Take care. Goodbye.